So check it out. So y'all know I did this video before where I put the extreme terrain rack on old Gator back there. But we had to get something else because, as you know, it's a Wrangler. And if you can see, we got that slat back top on there. So that limits even more space. Now we got the hard top in the backyard, but she likes it. So that's what we're sticking with. But we're about to hit the road, do some traveling across multiple states, and we need a little more storage room. And even if we had the hard top on there, we still want a little storage room. So what I did was I went on Amazon, of course, and bought a roof cargo basket. Now the cargo basket that I bought is adjustable for different sizes, so you can put it on different applications, different vehicles. But I got this thing. I only paid like 180 bucks for it, not bad. Hold like 150 to 200 pounds or something like that. So I'm gonna put this thing together, and once I put it together, we're gonna put it on Gator back there and see what it looks like. So if somebody outside, they want to stick one up there, stick it on the roof rack of their Gladiator, or I don't know, you might want to stick it on your, what's that Toyota van called? A Previa? No, what? Nissan Quest, one of those. Yeah, you might want to stick it on your van. Either way, or your SUV. So I'm gonna put this thing together. We're gonna see what it looks like. Once again, if y'all like it, you don't like it, you think about getting one, you want me to leave a link to where I got it from, leave something in the comments before and down at the bottom. Hit the like button, tell somebody to subscribe to it, because I like doing this. All right, so you can see it's got the box here with all the parts, the brackets, everything secured to the roof rack. I got it all taken out already. It came nice and neat, packed in the box, no rips, tears. The rack wasn't scratched up, although that's probably scratched up from throwing the concrete. But then this one also came with a 4 straps, and a cargo bag to go on the roof. And that cargo bag is for, well, here's directions. The cargo bag is for if you want to put some stuff in it to keep it from getting wet while it's on the roof. Put it in there, cover it up. It's waterproof. Boom, good to go. Put your straps on, tie it down. But if you want to throw some other stuff up there, look at that. Comes with a cargo net and everything. Now that's what I'm talking about. For 180 bucks, how could you beat that? Hold up. Let me show you a little picture right here on the side. See that right there? That's what it looks like. So we're gonna put this thing together. Let's get into it, y'all. Now, to be honest with y'all, it's really not that complicated. I mean, you see there's minimal parts to this thing. Those are stuff that goes on after you get it on the roof, and that's all pretty much to the basket. So it's really not that complicated to put this thing together. But I'm thinking of the ones that have never done it before, and there might be that one person out there that says, you know what, I'll take this to a shop and let them install it. Well, I'm gonna save you that money, and you can just look at my video. Doesn't take you that long, not that complicated. Put it together, boom, call it a day, and you roll. So let's get it. All together now, ta-da! All right, so we got this thing together. I'm gonna put this thing on Gator. Check out how it looks. I might have to adjust the bars, crossbars on Gator to get it right, but we're gonna do the thing. So this extreme terrain roof rack. See, there's a bar there, and there. But as you can also see, holes there and there. Now if you notice where that bar sits and that one sits, I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. So what I'm gonna do is cut the bolt out of this one and I'm gonna move it back. That way I can get it centered on the truck. I'll get the tape measure, I'll get it centered left and right, and then I'll get it centered front and back. But it'll be able to sit on the roof bar, crossbars like it should. So go ahead, move that back. I'm working by myself, so. How you doing? Whether you can see it or not, but these things work. This fits on your rack. The bars fit in there. These both go up just like that. They tighten up. Now they also give you this. That's just in case your crossbars are flat. Sits in there like so. But we're not worried about that. They're not. It's real simple. There you have it. Got the roof rack on Gator. It's in there. Y'all know how I roll. It's got to be functional. It's going to serve its purpose. Next week when we go on this road trip, gonna get some stuff up there. Gonna have some stuff inside. It's gonna be packed, but we got it on there so it'll make things a little bit easier. We'll get the bag up there that you can put your stuff in to protect it from the weather, and that's it. Well, another job complete. Hopefully the next video y'all see us on the trail. Click like, subscribe. Talk to y'all soon. Changing it out. Later.